There was a time where this was actually marketing. Pamphlets in the mail, flyers on the windshields, dogs chasing the mailman, and newspaper ads you hoped someone would read. You paid it up front, you waited for weeks, and most of the time, you didn't even know if it was going to work. And what's interesting is that back then, it used to be normal. Businesses didn't have dashboards. The majority of them thought a dashboard was inside your vehicle. They didn't have automations. They didn't have the data. You printed, you posted, you waited, and you hoped. Marketing was expensive. It was slow and it didn't scale. And yet, for decades, this was the only option. Now, here is the uncomfortable truth that a lot of businesses don't want to know. Most of these businesses, they didn't fail because they were bad businesses. They failed because the world changed and their marketing didn't. And then 2020 happened and everything accelerated. Overnight, attention moved online. Customers moved online. Buying behavior moved online. And suddenly, the old methods didn't just become slow. They became invisible. But here's the part most people don't talk about. This new digital world didn't automatically make things easier. In many ways, it actually made it more difficult. More platforms, more noise, more experts. And a lot of people were told, just post more, just hustle harder, just be consistent. And that advice burned a lot of people. By the way, if we haven't met yet, my name is Danal. I work in the digital education and systems space. And what I focus on is not working more, but building smarter systems that protect your time. Because time, especially for entrepreneurs and professionals, is the real currency. Most people don't have a motivation problem. They have a leverage problem. They don't need more content. They don't need another platform. They need a system that is proven to work even when they are not online. And this is where the old way and the new way, the businesses that are winning today don't rely on luck. They rely on systems, automations. Systems attract the right people. Systems that educate before they sell. Systems that work quietly in the background. Most people don't fail because they are lazy. They fail because they are trying to reinvent the wheel. They are trying to do everything from scratch. And they are trying to do it by themselves. Websites, funnels, emails, content, and that's exhausting. But the businesses that scale, they don't do that. So instead of guessing what to do next, they start with a done-for-you system. A system where the website is built, the emails are written, the automation is already connected, and all they have to do is show up. And that's exactly why I recommend using DMS, Digital Magnetic System, because I started with a done-for-you system because I didn't have time to gamble. And I didn't just want another opportunity. I wanted something to build on leverage, not hustle. Something repeatable, something sustainable. And that's why I still use it. If this is your ding, ding, ding moment, here's what I'll say. You don't need more content. You need a system that already works. So instead of overloading you with all the information inside this video, you can go and have a look at the exact system and the exact framework that I use. You can click the link in my bio to get all of the extra details. No pressure, no overwhelm, just a smarter starting point. Remember, attention isn't the goal. Trust is. Make sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell for the next available video.